This is a 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 5.3-liter V8, and four-wheel drive. Its top features include heated seats, Chevrolet MyLink, XM satellite radio, a double wishbone independent front suspension, a locking rear differential, a heavy-duty suspension, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, leather seats, 12-volt power outlets, front side impact airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, an auto-dimming rear view mirror, and this vehicle has less than 21,000 miles. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
Andy Mohr Chevrolet is the place to find new Chevrolet cars as well as pre-owned cars in Indianapolis. You can visit our new and pre-owned inventory online, get new car pricing, and receive free no-obligation price quotes. Visit Andy Mohr Chevrolet today at 2712 East Main Street in Plainfield, or see us online at andymohr-chevrolet.com.